In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost WordPress page speed optimization step by step using simple methods that anyone can follow, even if you're a beginner. Page speed is one of the most important factors for user experience, SEO rankings, and overall website performance. A faster WordPress site keeps visitors engaged, reduces bounce rates, and helps your pages rank higher on Google. If you want your site to load faster without complicated coding, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress and website optimization guides. All right, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress website and go to the dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage everything on your site. From here, you can access settings, customize your design, manage media files, and control performance-related options. Starting from the dashboard ensures you're making changes directly from the admin area, which is the safest and fastest way to optimize your site. Once you're logged in and ready, we'll move on to one of the biggest speed killers on most WordPress websites, large images. Next, open a new tab and go to tinypng.com. TinyPNG is a free online image compression tool that significantly reduces image file sizes without noticeable loss in quality. Upload the images you plan to use on your WordPress site, or images that are currently slowing down your pages. TinyPNG automatically compresses them, making them much lighter and faster to load. After the compression is complete, download the optimized images and upload them back into your WordPress media library. Smaller images mean faster load times, better performance on mobile devices, and improved core web vital scores. This single step alone can dramatically improve your WordPress page speed optimization. Now, let's optimize your fonts, which is another commonly overlooked factor. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the site editor, then navigate to Styles and click on Typography. Here, change your website font to a system font, such as System Sans Serif or Helvetica. System fonts load instantly because they are already installed on the user's device, whether it's a phone, tablet, or computer. Unlike custom fonts that require extra requests and loading time, system fonts help your pages render faster and improve perceived speed. This is a simple change that can make a noticeable difference, especially on slower connections. After that, head back to your WordPress dashboard and go to Settings, then click on Discussion. Scroll down until you find the option that says Allow link notifications from other blogs, also known as pingbacks and trackbacks. Toggle this option off for new posts. Disabling pingbacks and trackbacks reduces unnecessary background processing on your server, which helps improve performance and page speed. It also reduces spam and keeps your site cleaner and more secure. Once you've turned this off, save your changes. And just like that, you've learned how to boost WordPress page speed optimization using practical, beginner-friendly steps. By optimizing images, switching to system fonts, and disabling unnecessary features, your WordPress site will load faster and perform better for your visitors. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who's building a WordPress website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.